Uptown Swing. Level 1.
6 count.
6 count. Peter.
Hannah.
Sorry about the late recap, y'all. We're getting it to you now. This was Frankie's sixes this week. We're gonna show it to you. It went a little something like this. We did rock, step, triple step, switch the hand, rock, step, triple step, sneakle step, rock, step, goodbye. Hello again, rock, step, catch the arm, around you go. Keep dancing if you can. A couple little points we made. We talked about this little feeling here, about getting that open and closed. If we get that feeling, this hand doesn't have to push hard, but we do really say a lot in the beginning of this tuck turn. Open and close, and the followers really enjoy that moment before
Twist,
going.
twist. Yeah.
Yeah, we got that going. And then a reminder on those triple steps. If you need to find it, you could always go rock, step, slow, slow. If you need it, rock, step, slow. That'll get the basic underneath. And then we put the triple steps in, rock, step, triple, triple. And if you're still working on that triple step, feeling good, you can always think about this scoopy feeling. You can do it slow and big. Think smiley face, smiley face. You could go rock, step, smiley face, smiley face. Super slow and big. And after you get it, you just try to do it a little bit more in place. And keep that sort of bounciness. We'll see y'all next week.